Hey there guys, welcome to another quick play of Ratchet and Clank before the mixes. Just gonna start. So this is one of those other endless runner games. Yeah, I didn't do too well on my first try, but a tree here gonna probably start going through. I didn't get to finish it again. But yeah, in my first try of this game, I didn't do too well, but I'm pretty sure I'll do better in this try. No, oh, dang it. Okay. I'm actually doing better than last time, though. Oh, one hit and it died. That's it. Wow, I'm actually doing pretty good. No! Yeah. I knew that would happen. Fat princess up. Oh, let's just go to the shop. Oh, there's so much things to buy. I'm stressed. Okay, let's just upgrade our weapon. What? You can't upgrade it. What the heck? I can't. Oh, I don't have enough bolts. Yikes. What about gadgets? Wow, I don't have enough bolts for anything. Okay, you guys, let's just play it again. So yeah, you guys, this is the end of our video right here. We're just gonna end it off right here. But I wanna play it for a little while. Okay. Okay guys, see ya.